DPF Emulator installation in a Yanmar engine. Locate the 3 temperature sensor plugs and the differential pressure sensor plug. Disconnect the temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Connect the plugs from the emulator's harness. Strip the isolation from the 2 CANBUS signal wires in the diagnostic plug and solder 2 wires from the emulator's wiring harness, just like shown in the video. Do not cut the cables.